Here is a quick project. We came to this deep clean and the stovetop had some burnt on stains that we were going to be working with. And then over here by the sink, the stain on the sink looked really bad. And then we also have a pot mark over here that we will be working on. So here we're adding Barkeeper's Friend, and we're going to add some water. And I'm going to make this a little bit quicker process. But we are adding water and we're using a stainless steel scrubber. The longer that the Barkeeper's Friend and water sits and softens the stain, the better. And so I'm working on all the burners, and then we're going to use a razor blade. And so you want to make sure that you're using a razor blade that has a 30-degree angle and that it's used wet, so we will not damage the cooktop. Okay, and then you can kind of feel that it's coming off like a residue. Okay, and so I'm scraping the top a little bit more. And we had to go around this several times to achieve our goals. And then also here's the process for cleaning the porcelain sink. A little bit of Barkeeper's Friend, a little bit of water, some elbow grease, and about a minute later you will see that it is coming right off. Amazing stuff. So end result, there is the cooktop, the after shot. Thank you so much for watching.